Picture this, a single developer, working alone, building 3 apps by cloning existing ones. Now, he's making over $35,000 every month, without investors or a team. This is the story of Samuel Rondot, a self-taught coder who turned his passion into a thriving business. Samuel's journey began like many others, with a desire to learn and create, but instead of waiting for the perfect idea to strike, he took a different approach. He believed that execution mattered more than originality, and that philosophy would shape his entire career. As a self-taught developer, Samuel started small. He experimented with various projects, learning from each failure and success along the way. These early experiences taught him valuable lessons about what works and what doesn't in the world of app development. But perhaps the most important decision he made was to bootstrap his projects instead of chasing after funding. So, what was Samuel's core strategy? Clone and improve. Instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, he looked at existing apps and asked himself, how can I make this better? This approach of cloning with improvement meant adding sleeker designs, new features, or enhancing the user experience. By doing this, Samuel reduced his risk and increased his chances of success. But how did he know which apps to clone? Samuel dove deep into research and validation. He read reviews of competitors, looking for weaknesses and complaints. These weren't just problems, they were opportunities. He used quick validation methods like landing pages and simple prototypes to test his ideas before investing too much time. This fast validation saved him months of potentially wasted work. When it came time to build his first app, Samuel focused on creating a minimum viable product MVP. His lean coding style and emphasis on launching quickly, rather than endlessly polishing, meant he could get his product in front of real users faster. And that's exactly what he did. For distribution, Samuel turned to platforms like Product Hunt and online communities. He leveraged SEO to attract organic traffic, avoiding paid advertising in the early stages. This allowed him to gather genuine feedback and iterate on his product based on real user experiences. But Samuel didn't stop at one app. He expanded his portfolio to 3 different projects, diversifying his risk and multiplying his income streams. By cloning and improving apps in various niches, he created a robust business model that could weather market changes. Now, let's talk about those numbers. $35,000 per month. That's over $400,000 per year. Many startups with full teams and millions in funding never reach this level of success. Yet Samuel did it solo, with minimal costs thanks to simple hosting and smart automation. His profit margins, around 90%. Almost all of his revenue was pure profit. So how did Samuel achieve this remarkable feat? Let's break down the key lessons from his journey. First, clone and improve. Originality is great, but it's not always required for success. Sometimes, taking an existing concept and making it better is the smartest path forward. Second, launch fast. In the world of app development, speed often matters more than perfection. Getting your product out there quickly allows you to learn and adapt in real time. Third, validate early. Test the demand for your idea before investing too much time and resources. This can save you from pursuing projects that won't resonate with users. Fourth, keep costs low. By maintaining high profit margins, Samuel gave himself the freedom to experiment and grow without financial pressure. And fifth, monetize from day one. Don't wait too long to start charging for your product. If you're providing value, users will be willing to pay. Now, you might be wondering, can any solo developer replicate Samuel's approach? The answer is yes. Here's how. Start by looking for apps with potential for improvement. Read bad reviews, identify poor user experiences, or spot outdated designs. These are all opportunities for you to create something better. Focus on building and launching quickly, especially in smaller niches where competition might be less fierce. Remember, it's not about creating the perfect app on the first try. It's about getting something out there and improving it based on real feedback. Samuel's story proves that one developer, working alone, can earn $35,000 a month without investors or a large team. The lesson here is clear. Focus on execution, speed, and improvement. Don't get caught up in the myth that you need a revolutionary idea or millions in funding to succeed. Imagine what you could achieve by applying the same strategy. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Samuel's journey shows that, with the right approach, incredible success is within reach. So, what's stopping you from building your own app empire? Take that first step today. Clone, improve, and launch. Your $35,000 per month business could be just around the corner. If you want to hear more inspiring stories like Samuel's and learn the strategies behind successful startups, don't forget to subscribe to Build and Scale. We're here to show you that, with determination, smart strategies, and a willingness to learn, anyone can build a thriving tech business. Remember, in the world of app development, it's not always about being first or completely original. It's about executing well, solving real problems, and constantly improving. Samuel Rondot proved it's possible. Now it's your turn to take action and write your own success story. Who knows, maybe a year from now, we'll be telling your story of how you turned a simple idea into a six-figure business. The opportunity is out there, the tools are available. All that's left is for you to start building. So, are you ready to embark on your own app development journey? To clone, improve, and potentially earn $35,000 a month like Samuel? The path is clear, and the potential rewards are enormous. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect idea. Start today, learn as you go, and who knows where you'll be this time next year. Remember, every successful app developer started somewhere. Samuel Rondot was once just a self-taught coder with a dream. Now he's living proof that with the right strategy and mindset, incredible success is possible. You have the power to do the same. So fire up that code editor, start researching apps to improve bed, and take that first step towards your own $35,000 per month business. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and in the world of app development, that step could be a simple clone with your own unique improvements. Your future in tech starts now. Are you ready to build, launch, and scale your way to success? The opportunity is yours for the taking. Let's see what you can create.